हेलो दोस्तों, काफ़ी टाइम से कुछ अनबॉक्स नहीं किया है। और तो अगर आपको पता है तो मैंने अपना लोकेशन चेंज कर लिया है, तो जो से भुवनेश्वर। तो चलिए करते हैं कुछ अनबॉक्स, देखते हैं क्या है ये। यस, ये देख सकते हैं आप, मैंने मंगाया है डेल मल्टीमीडिया कीबोर्ड। मॉडल का नंबर है KB216। यहाँ है 3 इयर्स वारंटी। डेल का ये QR कोड, और पीछे देख लेते हैं। यहाँ पे प्राइस लिखा है 1299, बट आई गॉट दिस फॉर, आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, 599 आई थिंक। यस, ओके, चलिए इसको निकाला जाए। कौन सी साइड से खोला जाए इसको? यहाँ पे ये रहा। यस, चलो, यस, ये रहा। अब इसका ओपन करते हैं। तो easy job. Yeah. Let's take it out. Yeah, it's a wired keyboard, and it was shown as the best seller. So let's see. There is safety and things like that. So this is the cable, plastic cable, and it's quite long, right? So yeah, let's take it. Yeah, it's quite long, काफ़ी लंबा है। अब इसको निकाल के देखते हैं। Yes, so it's black, fully black, and let's connect it to my laptop keyboard. And the keyboard is connected to my laptop, and we'll go to a blank page. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so the wire is pretty much tangled. Let's take it out. Right, now let's check. I am feeling a nice, yeah, I'm not a big typer, so it's okay. I'm feeling good. The key travel is good. I can, yeah, it's good. Good. I like it. I can play music. So let's play something. Yeah, I can play pause from here. Let's play. Mute, unmute, mute, unmute. Yeah, I can reduce the volume. I can pause it. Okay, so it's working perfectly. It's quite nice. I can see there is no very little flex, so no, and you can see there is a nice key travel, so you will feel it every click. And then here you can see it's a full size keyboard, so number pad is also there, up, down, and everything. Here is a multimedia key as well. So right, and it is a chiclet style keyboard, so not mechanical. So that's it. The keyboard is tested. I hope you like the video. If you want something answered, you can ask me in the comments. I'll be waiting to answer your comments. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, because a lot more unboxings are coming. This is just one. A lot more are coming on the channel, so subscribe for a lot more unboxing. And I'll see you in that video. Till then, Abhas says bye. Peace out.